In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know on how you can monetize your Facebook page in 2023. What's up guys, Seb here from Wolfio, and like I said, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know on how to monetize your Facebook page in 2023. I'm going to go over through all the requirements and all the actual ways you can actually monetize your Facebook page. So let's get right into the video. So currently there are 4 different ways to actually monetize within the Facebook app. Well, technically there are actually 5 with the Facebook Reels program, but we'll talk about that at the end of the video. So to jump right into it, to actually know if you are eligible or can actually apply for these programs, you're going to need a minimum requirement of followers for the majority of these programs, and that minimum requirement is going to be 10,000 followers. Now, if you do reach this threshold, then continue watching this video because then you can proceed to the next step. And that next step is heading over to the business.facebook.com Meta Business Suite. Once you're logged in, your page will look a little something like this. And if you have your Instagram linked to your Facebook page, you can see that you have your Facebook page as well as your Instagram page, and you can quickly just click on either of the icons. You can have a bit of a bio as well as the likes, as well as just click on here and it'll take you straight to that page, which is pretty cool. So to actually know if you can get monetized, there are 2 options to do. You can click on the view monetization, or then you can click on this button right here, monetization. Now, the main thing you want to pay attention to see is if you, number 1, have no monetization breaches, and then number 2, you want to click on the view page eligibility. Now from here, you'll actually see all the programs that you're already enlisted in, and then you'll also see the other monetization tools which you can apply for. So currently you can see that I am indeed enrolled on the Facebook Stars program, but this is a Facebook page that I haven't used in years. So I'm just enrolled in it, not really earning any money. But next up, we have the other monetization tools. So here we can see the criterias as well for the Facebook Stars. I'll give you the criterias in just a moment, but we'll cover this quickly. So in the in-stream video ads for on-demand video, you'll see the view criteria. And for some reason, it keeps saying that my page isn't following the policies, but I haven't used a page in years, so I don't know what that's talking about. But anyway, you can see that you'll need at least 10,000 followers. You need to have 600,000 minutes watched in the last 60 days, which is quite a lot. And then you also need to have at least 5 videos on demand, which is really easy because if you're getting this amount of minutes watched on your Facebook page, you should have at least 5 videos, right? Next up, we have the subscription. So criteria for this, 10,000 followers. You also need to have 250 weekly returning viewers, which isn't that hard. So when you start using a page, or if you're already using it consistently, you should have 250 people coming to your page maybe daily or at least weekly. So the interesting thing about this is that you only need either the followers or the returning viewers for the grow your audience section, but then you'll also need to have this one. So the engagement in the last 60 days, you'll need to have 50,000 post engagements, or you'll need to have 180 minutes watched across 60 days. So pretty interesting here. There's 2 different ways you can actually enter the subscription section. And then for the in-stream ads for live video, you'll see once again, for some reason not meeting the policies, but you'll have to have 10,000 followers, and then you'll also have to have 600,000 minutes watched in the last 60 days. And you also have to have 60,000 minutes of those 600,000 total minutes viewed in about 60 days. And then you also have to have at least 5 active live videos. So to get the in-stream ads for live, the requirements for this is fairly hard, but I'm sure if you're posting consistently, it'll be very achievable. Now to finish off, I did mention at the start of this video that there is a 5th method, which is the Facebook Reels program. So to actually learn a little bit more about this, it really does depend on your account because it's being rolled out completely randomly. So what I'd recommend you to do is head over to your Facebook page right here, and then you actually see there'll be a tab right here which page tips, and every week or so they always update this with new tips. And here you can see start earning money with Facebook Reels. So this is actually enrolled with the Facebook Stars, which isn't the actual Facebook Reels payment program which they're talking about, which some people do have access to, but at the moment I've only got access to the Stars one. So what you can do is just click on the Get Started section. It's going to give you a little bit more information, and then you can press Take a Look. And then here you can click on whichever program you want, press Setup, and then you'll be all good to go. Another thing to mention is that if you do revisit the facebook.com/creators and then you head over to the bonuses program, what you can actually do is enroll into the bonuses. So you can read all of this if you want, but this is essentially what happens. So You'll have your pages because you'll be logged in, and essentially what will happen is that you'll express interest in these bonuses. So what you want to do is enter in your name and your last name, your email, your page category, and your Instagram URL, and then you want to express interest in all of these programs or just one specific one. Press submit, and then you'll get information regarding all of these programs, as well as email updates to see if you are available to register for these programs. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.